How to download and install REDnote app. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the REDnote app on your device. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now in the search bar, type in a REDnote and press search. Once the search results shows up, look for the REDnote app. Now at the top, you can see a app with Chinese letters. That's the REDnote official app. Simply click on Get or Download. Now you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password if you're on iPhone. Give it a few seconds for the app to download. Once it's finished, the app will automatically install on your device. Once installed, you'll see the REDnote icon on your home screen. Simply tap the icon to open the app. Once the app is open, you can either sign up for a new account or log in, and you can start exploring the app, create videos, connect with friends and more. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the REDnote app on your device.